Alright everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Now I am new at this voiceover thing, so bear with me, but today we're going to be making those cutting boards you saw in the intro. So stay around to see how I do it. Okay, so now that all of our boards are cut to our 20-inch length, we're going to take them over to the jointer here, joint all the faces and all the edges, which is quite the task, but once it's done it's worth it because it keeps all your boards square and makes the glue up so much easier. Now we're over here at the planer. We're going to get all these boards down to the same thickness, and then we're going to put them on our table saw and rip them into our 1 1/4 strips. I usually use a little roller to spread out the glue and everything, but I actually lost it, so now I'm using these little cutoffs of wood that I have laying around the shop. So on my Instagram, I make these little short videos showing what I do in the shop. Now obviously I forgot to record in landscape when I was finishing these cutting boards, so I'm just going to show you the video that's on the Instagram. The router did burn a little bit, so I'm going to have to get in there by hand and sand out those burn marks. Now I'm finishing these boards with this mineral oil. So the mineral oil protects the boards and pops the grain and makes it look really good. Thanks for watching everyone. More videos coming soon.